Hello friends, this is a public service announcement for everyone out there that's not protecting themselves from the #1 way criminals enter a home, the front door. Look, video doorbells like this, they're great. I love it. I have one. I use it all the time. But if a break-in happens, it's only gonna let me watch the break-in happen. I want you to fight crime the right way by preventing it. I'm gonna show you a door bar. You have to have it because it's gonna prevent someone from breaking in. And that's what we all want. Come on inside. All right, my friends, I'm about to properly lock my door. It's just gonna take a second, so if you blink, you're gonna miss it. Check it out. That's it. It's done. This is the door security bar by barricade. It's the highest level security device for your front door, or safe room, or garage access door. It comes with the highest quality materials. You have stainless steel hardware, stainless steel screws, a solid aluminum bar, comes with this nice black foam spacer so beautiful doors like this don't get damaged. Here's the smart thing about this design. You have 4 3-inch screws that go into the wall studs on both sides of the door. Essentially, you have the entire wall supporting this bar. That's why it's a great security device. It's easy to install, and listen, the world's different today. I know you know that, but you gotta get smarter about your home security. Get the barricade door bar, sleep better at night, protect your family, protect your property.